What seems a miracle to outsiders was for many years a physical reality during a total of 135 space shuttle missions. A heat shield only a few centimeters thick kept the incredible temperature differences of several hundred degrees minus, and the temperatures that occurred during a re-entry into the Earth's atmosphere away from the sensitive outer skin of the spaceships. Close on 2000 Celsius on one side. On the other side, sensitive technical equipment and human beings, almost cheek by jowl with hellfire. How did the NASA engineers manage this feat? The secret lies in hollow ceramic bodies enclosing a vacuum, specifically developed for the purpose and therefore exactly the same technology on which our products are also based. If one takes these hollow ceramic bodies and combines them with extremely adhesive dispersions and activators specially developed for this purpose, one obtains, in a figurative sense, liquid ceramic tiles with fascinating characteristics, the so-called endothermic effects. The potential which these tiny beads possess is considerable, and there is no one in the European area with more experience in industrial manufacture and marketing of thermoceramic coating systems, research and development with these technologies than SICC-Coatings. Thermoceramic membranes with endothermal effects are genuine problem solvers for the wildest array of applications, both in cooler and warmer regions. However, does coating 0.3 millimeters thick on a facade of a building help save energy? The answer is definitely yes. The products offered by SICC-Coatings, based on the principle of thermoceramic membrane, allow implementation of an effective energy-saving measure in a highly uncomplicated and economical way both inside and outside a building. Europe-wide studies clearly prove that depending upon the building use, it is possible to save energy with a coating from SICC-Coatings. The energy-saving and indoor climatic effects are based on a wide range of physical effects. The ceramic hollow bodies increase the surface area. Believe it or not, 150 meters square of sphere surface are present in 1 square meter of 0.3 millimeter membrane. This increases the building's ability to release moisture outwards. During rain or high relative humidity, the membrane is capable of swelling by 25%, thereby preventing moisture ingress into the substrate. Outdoors, this means dry walls insulate better than damp walls. On the outside, the ceramic membrane prevents moisture from reaching the masonry behind. On the other hand, the permanent capillary structure ensures that moisture is drawn out of the wall. This characteristic makes our products highly interesting, specifically for renovating old buildings. In addition, temperature fluctuations are efficiently compensated and uniformly distributed over the facade. This, in turn, prevents crack formation and ingress of moisture. No cracks, therefore no growth of algae and moss. The products offered by SICC-Coatings for indoors do not release any chemical substances which are allergenic, harmful to health, or known to cause allergies either during processing or afterwards. The membrane distributes the energy introduced rapidly and evenly over the entire surface and subsequently releases it again as pleasant, radiant heat. This avoids cold spots. The heat distribution inside the room is more even, and therefore the heating during constant operation can be markedly turned down. One spin-off effect. Unpleasant convection currents and mold formation are markedly reduced by the temperature-regulating properties. In doing so, the membrane system is configured such that the relative humidity in the room cycles around the optimum value for human beings of 55%. The membrane takes advantage of condensation, owing to increased relative humidity during the summer months, and generates evaporative cooling, a free air conditioning unit, particularly at subtropic temperatures. These effects are documented in more than 40 Europe-wide reports and analyses by independent German and European institutes, such as Fraunhofer Institute for Interfaces and Process Engineering and many other scientific institutions. Founded in 2003, the company was able to develop rapidly. SICC is intentionally networked and is reinforcing the further development and marketing of the thermoceramic membrane technology with endothermic effects in the entire European area and is pushing ahead with worldwide expansion. Independent contractual partners in almost all European countries ensure local sales and marketing. Outside Europe, it is strategic partnerships that are able to build highly efficient owned structures. The technical support is provided by SICC. SICC-Coatings is on the expansion course with the brand ThermoShield for commercial customers, which is already introduced on the European market, and SICC-Coatings' own brand Climate Active Paint outside Europe. Training programs and qualification of users are likewise an avowed aim and everyday reality of the company. Timely marketing addresses the various target groups and ensures lasting success. SICC is constantly researching into new application areas and marketable products and other new areas of use, and international innovations are to be expected in the future. It will be these technologies that allow many people in hot and cold climate zones to save energy. Moreover, with a markedly lower level of investment than previously possible with conventional energy-efficient renovations. In the future, SICC will push forward with production of this technology in the most successful countries in order to be able to act even more efficiently and flexibly on the market locally. The future belongs to the innovative products and designs from SICC-Coatings.